Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the app quickly. Open your Redmi and swipe up to reveal the app drawer. Once done, use the search box and type File or Manager. This bypasses scrolling and shows exact matches. If you still don't see it, inspect common folders like Tools, Utilities, or Downloads because manufacturers sometimes group icons. This step saves time and prevents accidental app reinstall. You'll know you found the right app when the icon says File Manager or Files. Next, if the icon is missing, use Settings to surface the built-in manager. Open Settings and tap the search field, type File or Storage so the system points you to relevant screens. Then go to Apps, Manage Apps, and enable Show System Apps. This reveals a built-in file manager that might be disabled. Once visible, tap it to confirm name and icon. Make sure it isn't disabled, because re-enabling is faster than reinstalling and preserves your default file associations. Finally, restore full functionality. If the System File Manager is disabled, enable it in Apps. If it's uninstalled, reinstall a reputable Files app from the Play Store. You can also choose a third-party manager for extra features like SMB or cloud integration. Just pick one with strong reviews. If things go wrong, reboot the phone, clear the Play Store cache, or reset app preferences to recover hidden apps. This usually solves permission or visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.